Okay, we're going down to the dam to listen to the frogs. Listen, it's exciting. Quack, quack. That noise is almost deafening.
Yeah.
So don't shine your torch right on it.
Okay.
Where is it? Look at it.
That's a
The
great
wah,
sound.
wah. I like the wah, wah.
Yeah.
Listen to the frog chorus. It's like deafening.
We kind of had silence up until about 4 days ago, and then they came out again.
And then the frogs came out because it's been raining. And who's the one that's making the noise? Who's making a wah wah noise? I want to see a wah wah.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Is that a wah wah?
No, I don't think so. I think
Who might be the wah
it
wah?
might be the wah-wah. Actually, I think they do a talk. I think they're the talk. Talk.
That's not a common garden snail, is it?
No.
It's a Northern Rivers one. Very handsome.